Actor Siddharth is in an almighty row because he had responded to a tweet by Saina Nehwal, India's ace shuttler, after the PM had encountered a security breach. So now what had happened was, as you can see, Saina Nehwal had tweeted, "No nation can claim itself to be safe if the security of its own Prime Minister gets compromised. I condemn in the strongest words possible the cowardly attack on PM Modi by anarchists." So this is what Saina Nehwal had tweeted. A short while later, some people online, including another ace Indian shuttler, Jwala Gatta, claimed that she had copy-pasted this tweet from some other BJP handles that were also tweeting them. Subsequent to that is when Siddharth steps in. Siddharth gets into it and he makes a kind of wordplay on a name for badminton. We call badminton also the object that is used is called a shuttlecock. So he made a sort of play on that, which most definitely he didn't clarify on what entirely he meant. It wasn't as subtle as Siddharth aims to say. And so he wrote that term, champion of the world. So badminton, an alternate derogatory term, champion of the world. Thank God we have protectors of India, he says sarcastically. And then he's saying, shame on you, Rihanna. So he's alluding to the toolkit controversy that had arisen last year. Now, after this, what had happened was the NCW had taken cognizance. And NCW chief Rekha Sharma says this man needs a letter or a lesson or two. Twitter India, why is this person's account still active? Taking it up with the concerned police. And then the NCW issued a statement that you have on the story on Republic World where it is called for an FIR to be registered over it. Now, a couple of things have happened since then. He has justified the reason why he tweeted this, and also Saina Nehwal has spoken to Republic. So Saina Nehwal says that she used to like him earlier as an actor, but she's not entirely sure why he wrote what he did. And his own justification, he says, cock and bull is the phrase that he was referring to. That's the reference reading, otherwise an unfair and leading, he says. I think he may mean misleading. Nothing disrespectful was intended, said or insinuated, period. But he was not entirely clear in his initial tweet, and there were two ways to take it. So most definitely there is a huge controversy over this. Siddharth has responded, Saina Nehwal has responded to Republic, and the NCW has taken cognizance and is calling for the registration of a case against him.